Guys, minsan mahirap mag-budget, lalo na kung may utang sa credit card. Let's talk about balancing your lifestyle and paying off debt. Simple lang yan. I-prioritize mo yung mga needs at i-adjust yung mga wants. Gusto mo mag-coffee sa labas araw-araw? Try every other day muna. Gym membership for example, pwede ba sa bahay na lang? Mahilig sa shopping? Add to cart lang pero don't check out agad. Remember the wait 24-hour rule. Attend pa rin, pero be creative. For gifts, pwede mag-DIY or maghanap ng sale items. Sabi nga nila, it's a thought that counts. Food, bring something you made like dessert. The goal is to enjoy without overspending, di ba? Okay, focus on two things. First, pay more than the minimum. Hindi mo gugustuhin mag-pile up ang interest, di ba? Pangalawa, use the avalanche method. Unahin bayaran ang card with the highest interest, sunod na yung maliliit. Kayang-kaya ang pagbabalanse ng lifestyle at ang magbayad ng utang. Importante, alam mo kung paano i-balance ang wants and needs. Hindi masama mag-enjoy. I-prioritize lang ang pagbabayad ng utang.